Hello, Miss Jones. How are you this evening? Or is it Dr. Jones? I apologize.
It's Dr. Jones. It's all
My
good. I'm still
apologies.
Jessica on my birth certificate.
Yes, it is. You're right. Welcome to our meeting. Thank you so much for joining us.
Hi, everybody. Thank you for having me tonight.
Absolutely. And then whenever you are ready, we are here for you. We're here to listen.
Okay, cool. So, greetings and salutations, everyone. My name is Jessica Jones. I'm an agricultural education teacher, as well as a professor, FFA advisor, coach, and lead mentor. Yay! For FIRST Robotics here at Tunstall High School. I'm still at work. Our students have the basketball championship tonight. So if you hear yelling, and it's not coming from me, it's coming from the gym, which is awesome. Go team, go. And I also work at the University of Mount Olive. I'm currently the president of the Pennsylvania Education Association, president of the Piedmont Uniserv unit, and vice president of District I. And I just want to say thank you for allowing me the opportunity to share a few words with you this evening. And thank you, Christine, for giving me the opportunity to be here. Now, I think we can all agree from yesterday's rally, right? We pretty much heard and saw that there can be glimpses of really great things that could happen in public ed, but we also can see the reality of what's happening in public ed. And regardless, the state of public education, we all can see somewhere the need for change and drastic change at that. So as members of the largest labor union in the United States by volume, we have the advantage to lead that positive change and sustainable for our students, our colleagues, and the future of our society. And in Virginia, we've made great strides in ensuring every locality has a seat at the table with collective bargaining. And I think that's an awesome step in the right direction for all school divisions, all 137. But we also have our fair share of challenges today. So it doesn't matter if you're in Pennsylvania or if you're in wherever you are in the state of Virginia, we all are sharing problems and issues. And each one of us has our own story to share. And we have that need that needs to be heard. Because how can we collectively make a difference? And how can we collectively navigate through those issues to have a common solution for the betterment of everyone? It doesn't matter what role that you play. If it's a bus driver, cafeteria worker, an aide, we all deserve to have a better way of living. I believe through our networks across the Commonwealth, we need to continue to garner our resources at the state level as well as at the national level to increase our opportunities for all students and all educators. Those are in the classroom, those are in public ed, those are aspiring to get there. And when we're looking at teacher shortages across the Commonwealth, across the nation, and now we're also seeing substitute shortages, what can we do to seal and close that gap? So when we're looking at the ability to negotiate our contracts, I think that's one step in the right direction. That we're directly influencing our working conditions for all. And we increase our finances because when you're one of the most wealthiest states in the entire nation, your salary should reflect that. And when we have multiple jobs that we take on just to keep the lights on in our home, but we still find a way to take the money out of our pocket to take care of our children and even some of our colleagues, we need to do better. So with that being said, I truly believe moving forward, we need to ensure all schools are fully staffed in every capacity and that all those individuals are members of the VEA and NEA, which can only strengthen the work that we're doing. Further, as an organization, we, the VEA, need to continue to be the mechanism for membership growth, the strong arm of support for our communities, and the vehicle for transformation and education. So I look forward to continue to do this work with you as your VEA Vice President, and I thank you for your support and your vote as we rise together, the trenches to the road, and pave a path for progress. So again, thank you for the opportunity to speak with you all, and feel free to reach out to me at any time, and I'll actually put my contact information in the chat. So thank you again, and Christine, I'll turn things back over to you.
Wonderful. Thank you, Dr. Jones. Does anybody have any questions? I can't see the screen. Let's see. Hearing and seeing none. Thank you so much for joining us, Dr. Jones. We appreciate you being here.
Yes, ma'am. And y'all have a great, wonderful evening. Thank you.
Thanks, you too, and good luck to your basketball team.
Thank you. I'm going to go in there now.
Awesome. Have fun.
Thanks. Bye, guys.
No problem.